In this video, I want to show you how to change your email address on your Snapchat account in 2026. Okay, step 1, open Snapchat. After Snapchat, click your profile. After click your profile, click your setting option. After click setting option, click email address option. Okay, I select email address, and this is my old email address. I changed my new email address. Writing a new email address, and this is my new email address. After writing a new email address, click save option. Click save option and save. After setting new email address, send verification to email address and open the link finishing verifying your email address. It is very easy. This was an education video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos.